Good day. You are watching Meezan Consultancy. Here are the top global news updates. 1. Iran-United States tensions. Tensions between Iran and the United States have escalated over developments in the Strait of Hormuz. The situation has raised concerns about possible disruptions to global oil supply. Energy markets have reacted with rising prices, increasing fears of inflation and economic instability worldwide. 2. Global energy transition. An international summit involving multiple countries has renewed focus on reducing dependence on fossil fuels. Nations are accelerating investments in renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power. Experts state that the global energy landscape is undergoing a major structural shift. 3. Global economic outlook. Economic uncertainty continues to grow due to geopolitical tensions and rising energy costs. Several economies are experiencing inflationary pressure and supply chain disruptions. Analysts warn that prolonged instability may slow global economic growth. 4. Security and social concerns in Europe. Reports indicate an increase in hate-related incidents in parts of Europe, including the United Kingdom. Authorities have announced measures to strengthen security and address community concerns. The developments highlight rising social tensions in certain regions. 5. Humanitarian issues. Humanitarian challenges remain significant in several parts of the world. Food insecurity continues to affect vulnerable populations, particularly in conflict-affected regions. Global organizations have called for increased international support and cooperation. 6. Sports update. In international football, clubs are entering crucial stages of their domestic competitions. Teams are preparing intensively as major tournaments approach. Sports authorities are also addressing organizational and political challenges ahead of upcoming events. 7. NGO global updates. Funding crisis impacting NGOs worldwide. Global NGOs are facing a growing financial crisis due to reduced international aid and funding cuts. Experts warn that shrinking budgets may limit humanitarian operations and reduce support for vulnerable populations. That concludes today's global news update. Thank you for watching Meezan Consultancy. Stay informed and have a good day.